Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Xiaomi 17 isn't detecting your SIM card. First of all, try simply restarting your device by pressing power button and volume up key simultaneously, then swipe the circle down to reboot your smartphone. And if you are still experiencing the SIM card issue after the restart, then let's lock the device's screen and let's try to reset the SIM card. To do that, put a pin-like device into the pinhole of your SIM card tray like this and push it inside to make the SIM card tray jump right out. And now make sure that your SIM card is inserted this way and sits firmly in your SIM card tray. And if not, you can try to reset it. Also, while having your tray outside, make sure that your tray has no visible damages, as well as your SIM card. Now, we can place the SIM card in both a SIM 1 or SIM 2 slot of the tray. Now, in both cases, it's inserted similarly this way, so that the SIM card contacts face outside the tray. And one important thing is that if you are inserting a physical SIM card into the SIM 2 slot, so into the opposite slot, so right here, then it will not be active if you have an eSIM enabled for the second slot. And let's reinsert the SIM card into the phone, and I'm gonna show you what I'm talking about. So once the SIM card is reinserted, go to settings, go to mobile networks, and now if you have eSIM feature enabled, your device will not be able to see your second SIM card. So the first slot is for a physical SIM card only. However, the second one can be switched between eSIM and physical SIM. So if you want to enable physical SIM for the second slot, then just disable turn on eSIM feature and the SIM card will be visible. And that's it. Now, if you're still having troubles with your SIM card, then reach out to your carrier, to your mobile data carrier, and ask them if there is any issues on their side, and maybe your SIM card is simply inactive and therefore cannot be detected by your smartphone. And so yeah, that's basically it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.